Hello, I'm sure by now most of us have heard the news about the recovery of the remains of the army couple, late Mr. h0o and late Mrs. Gloria Matthew, the army couple who were by Ifeanyi, aka Gentle the h0o. Yes, go there. If you can still stomach watching that video, go watch the video again. You will hear the voice of Gentle there in that video. He was the one commanding all those boys how to buy them. You will see it. And we'll thank the military for a job well done. This is of course it's a JTF operation, but it's being led by the 34 Artillery Brigade, Obrinze. Then you have the police, you have the DSS, you have the Navy, you have the Air Force. All of them are working in conjunction to clear the community, and they've already cleared it. Of course, they've taken over the Mother Valley, not just Mother Valley, this a particular area. When Nzetobo Sigwe and his camera crew came to film in also, they couldn't get to that place because of the IEDs, and that place wasn't passable as at that time. But today, we are happy that life is returning. At least this is a testament to the recovery of not just also the Mother Valley, but Imo State, and so shall it be in other parts of Alibo. This is what resilience can give us if we don't fail, if we don't abandon what we are supposed to do. And we thank the 34 Artillery Brigade that is leading the operation, the brigade commander. Thank you, sir, for all the good works, and we thank the authorities, we thank the Army, we thank the Ministry of Defense, we thank the DSS, we thank the Air Force, we thank the Navy for a job well done. And above all, we thank the Garrison Commander, 34 Artillery Brigade, Lieutenant Colonel Judah Boa, for a job well done. It's not easy to get to this place. Not many people thought it would be possible for people to get to that area by now, but they were managed to clear it. And the great thing we need to celebrate is that since this operation started, we've not lost a single soldier. Yes, we've not lost a single soldier. Who would have thought that the southeast of all the regions in Nigeria will be the only place they will count as a place we've not lost a single soldier of all the operations going on in the southeast? So it's a thing of joy, and we are calling on the military authorities to please give these people a befitting burial. And the family, I hope you find closure. It's not easy to bear this type of loss, especially how this thing happened. And I know right now, I don't know if this is going to bring the old memory. Of course, it's going to bring the terrible memories back, but please bear it. This is the price so many of us that did nothing are paying, just because of the criminality of a few people that just decided to be troublemakers and evil people in our midst. But one thing we know for sure is that if good men refuse to do nothing, evil men will not thrive. May you people find peace. May this give you people closure. Once again, we thank all the people in h0o that are fighting to recover our land. Stay blessed.